Hi, boys and girls. This will be your writing lesson for today. You should have already completed your reading work. I'm going to go ahead and share with you my screen so we can start writing. So when you are on our home page, you should have seen our reading lesson and the reading module you already did. Our writing lesson video is going to go right here. And then you're going to click the links below this for our EdSite work. Any of the codes you need should be below. When you click on it, it is going to pull this up. If you go back to where we were, this is the code you will need. Remember, Control-C to copy it, or if you want 2 fingers, copy it, and then you come into here and you'll paste it right here. Once you have done that, you are going to start. And here is all of the tasks for today's project. So part 1, you need to reread all of it. Do not skip it because you've read it before. Always reread. It's not going to hurt anything. After you have reread everything, you're then going to come back over here. And then if you did not finish question 1 yesterday, that is what you were doing. If you did not finish question 2, let me remind you what that looks like. So question 2, it says, the sources discuss how service animals help people. Explain what you have learned about how service animals help people. Use 1 detail from source 1 and 1 detail from source 2. You need 1 from each to support your explanation. For each detail, include the source title or number. I'm going to show you how to do that here in just a minute. But remember, this response is something we've done all year. What is it called? A RACE response. Do not forget, RACE, right? Restate the question, answer the question, cite your information and explain your cite your second source and explain it. That is what a RACE response looks like. So when you are quoting, let's say if I come over here and I wanted to quote this sentence, capuchin monkeys are very small. 2 fingers, I can copy it. Well, actually, that may not work in here. So I'm going to Command-C to copy it. And then since I'm doing a direct quote, I make sure to use quotation marks and then end with a quote. If you want to paraphrase, you will still have to cite your source. So this is not cited. This is quoted, but it's not cited. To cite my source, I'm going to put a parentheses and then put what source number I am using. This is source number 1. So I'm going to put source 1 and parentheses. Even if this is in the middle, which it should be during a RACE response, that you have to do. So that way I can see, oh, they got this from source 1 and they got this from source 2. Do you need to use source 3 for this question? You do not. Should you have read it? Yes, because you needed it for question 1, but you do not need to use it for this particular question. When you are done, please do not do questions 3 or 4. We are going to talk about those Thursday and Friday. So only do question 1 and question 2. Question 1 and question 2. Okay. I hope you have a great day. Make some great choices. Don't forget to go and do your other classes, math, content, and whatever your special area is of the day. And I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.